Welcome back, Wogglers. So today's going to be another quick one. We're just talking about how to export data from your CRM. There's a couple of different ways to do it. If you have a data backup running, you can just grab the data backup and that would be the exported information you're looking for. You can also go into your setup gear in the top right corner, and then underneath data administration, you can click export. Pretty easy peasy. And then you would just start an export. So this does give you a maximum of 200,000 records. So if you have more than 200,000 records that you're trying to export out of the system, even if it's just from one module, then you're going to want to do a data backup instead and get all of the data out of your system to get around that maximum export. But if you're not doing more than 200,000 records, here you can select your module. So let's just do accounts. You can choose, if you want a specific set, you can choose to grab from just the new last week custom view. If you want to, like if you've got a custom view of the accounts that you specifically want to export, you can go ahead and grab it from there. You can also click this based on criteria. So then that way you can set, if you only want the account type is customer. So then it would just grab only the accounts that have the account type set as customer, and that would be your export. You also have a couple of other options where you can choose all the fields, so you get all of the data from your account, or you can choose fields specifically. So if really you only need the account name, the account owner, the billing address here, so we'll just choose all the billings. There you go. So now you just have the account owner and all that fun stuff. And so this is what you would get from your Excel spreadsheet from the export file. And then you just click export. And it's going to give you a CSV, which you can easily put into Excel or open up into anything like that. So that's the file that you're going to get from this export. Now, if for some reason you really don't want to click that setup here and go into export and choose all these things, you know specifically that you want contacts. What you can do here is you can just go to your contacts. You can either go to a specific custom view that you're looking for or go to all contacts to see everybody. And then underneath that actions button at the top right, you can go to export contacts. Now I will say that this is something that can be, it is a permission that you can add to certain profiles that other profiles don't. So if you're doing this and you're a part of a larger organization and you don't have this export option, that probably means that the profile that you've been assigned by your company does not have export permissions. You're going to need to talk to your supervisor about that. All right, and then you have pretty much the same options that you had in the other export, where you can choose a custom view or all. You can choose to go ahead and grab the fields from that custom view. You can get all of the fields off of the contact record, or you can choose your fields, which would be exactly the same way. The fields from the custom view are the ones that are set up. Let's see, we'll go back to contacts. So for the view all contacts, these are the fields that you're going to see show up. So there you go. That's it for the exporting. We'll see you in the next one. Woggle woggle.